In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Hostinger account when you no longer have access to your old email. First, head to the Hostinger login or recovery page in your browser. Make sure you're on the official Hostinger website to avoid phishing pages. From there, look for the option that mentions account recovery or the classic forgot password link. This is your entry point to start the process safely. When the recovery form appears, follow the on-screen path specifically designed for people who can't get into their old email anymore. Hostinger provides a dedicated flow for this situation, so you won't be stuck trying to receive codes at an inbox you can't open. Next, you'll be asked to provide details that prove you own the account. Be thorough and accurate here. Typical information can include your full name as it appears on the account, the domains or services attached to it, approximate sign up or billing dates, and any other identifying information you can confidently confirm. The goal is to give Hostinger enough context to match you to the correct account without exposing any sensitive data publicly. After you've filled everything out, submit the recovery request. You should see a confirmation that your request was received. Now, it's a waiting game, but it's a good idea to keep an eye on the inbox you specified for the response. And check your spam or promotions folders just in case. Hostinger may send you additional verification steps. Follow them exactly as instructed. Respond promptly and clearly to keep the process moving. Once Hostinger verifies your ownership, you'll be guided to update your login email. Choose a modern, secure email address that you control and can access easily. Complete any confirmation Hostinger sends to that new address to finalize the change. Right after that, secure your account with a new password. Pick a strong, unique passphrase that you haven't used anywhere else. A good rule of thumb is to combine multiple unrelated words with numbers and symbols for length and complexity. Consider using a reputable password manager to store it safely. As part of tightening security, it's also smart to review your account settings, confirm that the updated email is correct, and ensure there are no unfamiliar sessions or changes. That's it. You visited the recovery page, chose the correct recovery path, provided ownership details, submitted your request, waited for Hostinger's verification, and then updated your login email and password. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll get back into your account safely and securely.